Good morning, children. Now we will learn, we will teach that how can we manage stress. Stress is a normal reaction to the ever increasing demands of life. Stress is a normal reaction. It is very normal that we are handling so many things and all are not going very nicely. So we can normally this reaction means with this stress. We must all learn to manage stress, and first step is to recognize what is the first step of stress management. So present of stress in one's life. All of us are having so many stress in our life about studies, about life, about job. We are having so many stress. So children, each one of feel stress in different way. And one may get angry or irritable, lose sleep. There are many reactions about stress. So each one feels stress in different way. All people are having stress, but they react in a different way. Some are having very irritable, बहुत चिड़चिड़ होती है उन्हें. Some lose sleep, किसी को नींद ही नहीं आती है. Have headache और upset stomach, किसी को पेट में दर्द होता है, किसी को हेडेक होता है और सफ़र फ्रॉम एनी स्विंग्स. सो इस तरह से कई तरह से हम लोग स्ट्रेस का रिएक्ट करते हैं. सो एग्जाम्पल, नेक्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई द स्ट्रेसर्स, द सिचुएशन दैट कॉज स्ट्रेस. अब इसमें कौन सी सिचुएशन में हम कैसे स्ट्रेस करते हैं, मीन्स कैसे हमको स्ट्रेस आता है. द स्ट्रेसर कुड बी फैमिली, वर्क, रिलेशनशिप, मनी, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम. Once we understand the source of stress, we can come up with a way to deal with it. All are having stress. Some are having with family member, some are having with children, then relationship, then job, then knowledge means education. Means all are having, no one is left from this stress. So we can understand the situation of our stress and we can deal with the stress. So ways to beat stress. There are writer gave us many steps to beat our stress, many ways to beat our stress. हम इस स्ट्रेस को कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हैं, इसका हमें कुछ उदाहरण दिए, वेज दिखाए हैं, कुछ स्टेप्स बताए हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. ट्राई टू डेवलप पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड challenges. Children, we all are having many challenges from childhood. From childhood we are having that challenges in studies. और आजकल स्टडीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजेस, बच्चों पर इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिया जाता है कि उसे फर्स्ट आना ही है, उसे उसकी चाहे एबिलिटी हो या ना हो. बट पेरेंट्स आर गिविंग सो मच स्ट्रेस टू चिल्ड्रेन अबाउट स्टडीज ऑल्सो. बट वी हैव टू लुक एट दैट ऑल स्ट्रेस टू बी पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You can do this thing that by believing you can overcome that all challenges of life. Be positive, children. Don't be negative. Don't think negatively, but think positively. And we can easily handle, we can easily overcome from these challenges. Think of the way to face them with a clear mind. We have to face all challenges with a positive attitude. Then we can overcome that challenges. उस challenges को हम challenges से बाहर निकल सकते हैं. कैसे? Positive attitude के कारण. We can easily handle that challenges and that stress. Second step is relaxation. Relaxation means calm and quiet mind. And for this relaxation, we can use practicing relaxation technique is a great way to handle stress. If we want to handle the stress, we have to be relaxed in our mind. These techniques are slow down the heart rate and lower your blood pressure. And because of this stress, you will have so many health problem children from childhood also. So these are many types of relaxation technique means deep breathing, then meditation, yoga and Tai Chi. Tai Chi means something Japanese, that relaxation. So with yoga, deep breathing, then meditation, yoga, these all things are helping to decrease our stress. स्ट्रेस कम कराने के लिए हमें ये सब उपयोगी हो सकते हैं. Then hobbies. When stress has pulled you down, do something really you enjoy. Whenever we are in stress condition, our mind is not working properly, we can't think properly, so we have to pull out, do something really enjoyable, which we are like, means drawing, sketching, singing, then poem writing or any essay writing or speech, anything, whatever you like. So try this thing, reading book, music, watching a movie. Watching means listening to music. It is not so much time, but short time. We can use it short time. So we have to use our hobbies. So next is exercise. Getting physical activity day for at least 30 minutes in one of the easiest ways way to cope with stress. Cope with stress means handle with stress. Exercise. Exercise is best for handling our stress. While exercise, we can forget that stress from our mind. When you exercise, your brain release chemicals and make you feel good. While exercising, some good chemical release, and we are feeling so much happy, good. It can also help you release built up energy and frustration. If we are in frustration, so do some exercise. With exercise, we can forget these things.